How can I unblock someone on Instagram?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process of unblocking someone on Instagram. Sometimes we may block a person for various reasons but might want to reconnect later. This video will make that process quick and easy for you. Remember, privacy is essential and the decision to block or unblock someone should be made consciously.
Understanding Instagram's blocking feature.
Instagram's blocking feature is a tool designed to help you control who can view your profile and interact with you on the platform. When you block someone, they won't be able to see your posts, stories, or find you using the search bar. But you may decide to reverse this at any point, and that's what we're focusing on today.
How to unblock someone on Instagram.
The first step to unblock someone on Instagram involves accessing your settings. Follow these simple steps. 1. Open your Instagram app and log into your account if you're not already. 2. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen to go to your profile. 3. Here, you will see 3 lines in the top right corner. Tap on it. 4. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you're in Settings, 1. Scroll down and select Privacy. 2. Here, you'll find an option for Blocked Accounts. 3. Tap on Blocked Accounts, and you'll see a list of all the Instagram accounts you have blocked. Now, to unblock a person, 1. Tap on the account you wish to unblock. 2. You will see a big blue button saying Unblock. Tap on it. 3. Instagram will prompt a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to unblock this person. Confirm by selecting Unblock again. And that's it. You have successfully unblocked a user on Instagram.
What happens after unblocking?
Now that you have unblocked someone, you may wonder what happens next. The person you unblocked will now be able to see your posts and stories, and they can message you as well. However, they won't be notified that you have unblocked them. If you want them to follow you again, you'll need to let them know, as unblocking does not automatically make them a follower again. There you have it. You now know how to unblock someone on Instagram. Always remember, your online space is yours to control. We hope this tutorial has been useful to you, and thank you for watching. Happy Instagramming!